Welcome back to Lynn's Homestead. Did a lot of things today. Everything went well. Went into Murray, about me 10 gallons of diesel fuel. Oh, this crap with Russia. Tell you what, a lot simpler. Send a sniper in there and shoot Putin. End of this. The price of food, the price of diesel fuel, I saw for $5 a gallon. Crazy. It's a good thing my little Massey Ferguson 1700 series is good on fuel. Or I'll be mowing my yard once a month. But it's really good on fuel. I'm very pleased with it. So, today I need to, I want to make something a little bit better. But first, I'm going to do an open box review on a heat gun. My other one that I've had for 20 some years finally kicked the bucket. Let's jump into it. So, what I got, Harbor Freight is a Warrior dual temperature heat gun, 1500 watts. I haven't even taken it out of the box yet, so I have no clue what this thing's going to do. So let's see what we got here. Looks about the same size as that Wagner. This is by no means a paid video. Switch about the same. Got a lot of weight to it. Trying to do a certain project and I couldn't do it because I went to turn the other one on and it just made a bunch of tickling sounds. Got a book, which I keep all my tools, the books and all, in a filing cabinet. Let's see. Yeah, general stuff. So let's plug this thing in. I have a PVC pipe over here. The cost of a hose to run my fuel pump that I made. If you watch the video on that, if not, you gotta have a look-see. I turn a air compressor tank into a 20-gallon fuel tank. I got a crank pump from Harbor Freight. Paid like $40-some for it. I spent a lot in fittings and welding it on the tank. I had to cut a hole in the tank so I can clean all the rubbish out of it. I know this looks pretty bad, but I was using a torch. I need to put more of a 90-degree in one of these things, so let's see. Low's on the bottom. Low's about what it was on that, what was I using? Oh, hair dryer. Didn't do diddly squat. So we're going to put this thing on high. Oh yeah. So I'm going to heat this thing up. I can say I want to give it more of a 90. Once I get this one the way I want it, then I'll probably make another one. Got a long way to go with this. Now she's heating up. A little more pliable. Boy, I'm gonna talk something hot. I think it probably would have been better for me to get a fitting, but it's a little bit better. I mean, it takes a little slow in heating. But then again, I don't know what that torch did to the pipe when I tried to heat it up with it. So we're going to do a little bit more here. Like I say, once I get the angle and all, where it's just right, and filling it up, I'll get another length of pipe. Not sure if I have much, but we'll see. And we'll make a new one. I just need some way to tell which is the right angle. Okay. About the kind of like the angle I like to have it. Just try to keep it to where I can get at least some fuel through the thing. I think that'd be about right. It's going to go up under the valve, and boy, we got, looky here, we got some smoke rolling out of this thing. I don't know if that's good or bad. Look at that. You see that? Smoke? I don't know. We'll have to keep an eye on that. Look like it's I don't know. If you see it, we got smoke. Alright. So, it does heat up. I'm sure this will be fine for what I'm going to use it for. But, anyways, it works. I'm a little nervous. There's smoke rolling out of the vents on the back, and there's still smoke coming out. So I don't know. Does it heat up? Yes. But that's the first time I ever had a heat gun actually, and I actually almost see like a little bit of a glow in there, so I hope this thing don't have a meltdown. I'm borderline with this one. Mind you, I only paid $17 for this. I could have gone up to maybe the $30 one. But honestly, they both look the same. Different brands, but they're made in the same country. So, give me your thoughts in the comment. Tell me what you think of the video. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you in the next one.